Hello my dear children, today's topic is paper gift bag for Teachers Day. We celebrate Teachers Day on 5th of September every year, the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, President of India. He was a great scholar and excellent teacher. That's why we celebrate this day as a Teacher's Day. So children, material required for this craft: any old book cover, few decorative items and glue. So let's begin. Children, for the paper gift bag, you will take this type of old book cover. Okay. Now take compass and draw one circle this way. You will draw big circle like this with the help of compass. Okay. Now here you will draw one line like this. All right children. Now next step, we will draw one half circle here like this. One half circle this way and one small half circle for the handle of bag. This way. All right children. Now I am going to highlight it so it will be more clear to you. So this part you will erase. Now children, take safety scissor and cut it like this. Children, this way you will cut the shape of paper bag with the help of safety scissor. Now children, you will take this type of glitter sheet like this and take the measurement of this cutout and cut it like this. Okay children, so you have to cut two pieces of paper. I am using this red color glitter sheet and this golden color glitter sheet, and you have to cut like this. Children, if you don't have this type of glitter sheet, you can use simple paper, any type of paper, simple paper you can use, or you can color it with any color, whatever color is available at home. Okay children, now apply glue at the back side of this paper, glitter paper, and you will paste here like this. Now take this golden color paper and apply glue and paste here like this. And I have cut one handle also with this golden color paper. Now apply glue like this and paste this handle. Okay. This way you will paste the handle. All right children. Now let it dry for 5 minutes. Now next step, you will take any color paper or any color paper you can take and cut this strip like this. Now next step, we have one more cutout like this. So apply glue here like this, and you have to paste this paper strip like this. All right children, now let it dry for 5 minutes. इसको भी 5 मिनट सूखने देंगे. ये हम लोग पीछे वाले पार्ट में इस स्ट्रिप को पेस्ट करेंगे this way. Okay children? Then this way you will paste this strip. Now take this upper part, apply glue at the back side of this upper part this way, and you will paste on this lower part like this. Okay children? Now next step, अब हम लोग इसमें थोड़ा डिटेलिंग करेंगे. Now we will decorate it more. Now here I am using this butterfly. You will take this butterfly and paste like this. Children, now easy paper gift bag is ready. Children, you can use any decorative items available at home. Okay children, so you can make more bag like this and you can keep your gift inside this bag this way. Okay children, that's all for today. Now children, use your creativity and make more designer bags like this. Size and color you can choose as per your choice. Thank you children. Bye.